WhatsApp images not showing in gallery of Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the updated and the latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device. Now for that, just go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device as I don't have any option of update available for us. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on WhatsApp, then tap on app info. Now as I tap on app info, it will lead me to a new page where I can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then clear cache, then tap on OK. After that, go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the option of files and media over here. Now after that, just go back and tap on the WhatsApp application and go to the settings of your device. Go to your storage and data and make sure that you make the media auto download accessible. After that, go back and tap on chats and make sure to have your backup as well, and then you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.